Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious burrata cheese using an easy method. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh mozzarella curd, rich heavy cream, and a touch of salt. You'll also need a few specialized items like rennet, citric acid, and distilled water to achieve that perfect texture. Before you start, make sure all your kitchen tools and surfaces are sparkling clean and completely sanitized. This ensures a safe and successful cheese-making experience right from the very beginning. Now, let's create the outer shell of our burrata. Gently heat your mozzarella curd in hot water until it reaches approximately 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for achieving the right consistency. Once warm, carefully stretch and knead the curd repeatedly until it transforms into a smooth, shiny, and wonderfully pliable mass. Then, skillfully form a small, thin, cup-like pouch from this warm, elastic mozzarella. This will hold our creamy filling. With your mozzarella pouch ready, it's time for the luscious filling. Take any small scraps of mozzarella and shred them finely. Combine these shredded pieces with a generous amount of cold, rich, heavy cream. Don't forget to add just a small pinch of salt. This simple addition truly enhances the overall flavor profile of your creamy center. Now, very carefully spoon this delightful, creamy mixture into the mozzarella pouch you just formed. Be gentle to avoid any tears. Almost there. To complete your burrata, gently pinch and twist the top edges of the mozzarella pouch together, sealing it completely to enclose the creamy filling. Once sealed, immediately transfer your beautiful, homemade burrata into an ice bath. This rapid cooling helps the cheese firm up and maintain its shape. You can serve your fresh burrata right away, perhaps with some crusty bread and tomatoes, or store it in the refrigerator for enjoyment within a day or two. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.